we'll guide you through how to use Obsidian for language learning. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, open Obsidian and go to Settings. Start by opening the Community Plugins section from the Settings menu. Then search for the Spaced Repetition plugin. Select the plugin from the results, install it, and enable it after the installation process finishes. Once the plugin is active, close Settings and return to your main Vault workspace. Create a new folder named Language Vocabulary to keep all of your study materials organized in one place. Inside this folder, create a new note that will be used to store your vocabulary cards. At the top of the note, add the tag #flashcards so the plugin can recognize the content as a set of review cards. Next, create your flashcards using the required format, which is word followed by 2 colons and then the translation. For example, you can write gato followed by 2 colons and cat to create a vocabulary card for learning Spanish. Continue adding more vocabulary entries by pressing Enter and placing each new word on its own line. After you have added enough vocabulary, open the Spaced Repetition feature from the ribbon toolbar. Start a review session using your vocabulary note and begin testing your memory. The plugin will display a word or phrase from your list, and you should try to remember the correct translation before revealing the answer. Press the spacebar to show the hidden answer and compare it with your memory. After checking the result, choose a difficulty option based on how well you remembered the translation. Select hard if the card was difficult, good if you remembered it correctly, or easy if the answer was simple. The Spaced Repetition plugin will automatically schedule each card for future reviews based on your selected difficulty level. By using this workflow, you can build a personal vocabulary system inside Obsidian and gradually improve your language skills through consistent practice and organized repetition.